Okay, so remove the BinWrap from the packaging. Stand it upright. Unfold each panel, bringing them end to end. That one. Oh, hang on. Yeah. Okay. Does that make sense? Okay, so peel the red portion of the tape. Bring this in line, and if you can zoom in here, Susan, the overlap should be to the first. There you go. Okay, and then pressure fit the entire length, top to bottom, pressing firmly at front and back to ensure that they are taping well to each other. And we do the second piece of tape. Same overlap. You can see to the first, what are we calling that, Simon?
Calling it a V-cut.
V-cut, thank you. Again, adhere top to bottom, full length. Now you have a fully assembled farmer's bin. And as you can see, it's almost exactly the shape of the farmer's bin.